Hello, and welcome to this game. It's called the King's Bird, and today I'm going to be playing it. I went the wrong way. Welcome to the King's Bird. Today I'm going to be playing this game again because I haven't touched it for a couple weeks, and I'm on a very specific mission because today I'm going to get an achievement for beating the final boss, which I have done, but I have to do it twice. So I thought I'd take you along. If you don't know what this game is about, you play that person, a tiny little floaty girl, and I'm about to fight a very old, snapping shadow bird dude. Should be fun. Alright, dude. What's up? What's up? That's who I gotta fight. That dude, right there. He sucks. Okay, there we go. I kind of remember what I need to do, so this shouldn't take too long. I haven't played this game in so long. Okay, I'm kind of remembering the controls. I'm a little fidgety. Oh no. Oh wait. I got this. Whoa! Go away, little man. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I did not give you permission to touch me. Ow. He touched me. I know what I'm doing. We're gonna beat this in 10 minutes. Never mind. We're not gonna beat this in 10 minutes. Okay, loop around. Stay right there. Stop. Okay, now. You're gonna throw that at me? Come at me. Bring it. Aha! How do you like that? No! Stop! Stop this snap! We're fine. No! Woo! Come at me. Bring it. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Go away. Stop snapping. Stop! No! Oh, we're fine. Please don't hurt me. You think you can fly? I'm far better. Oh, get juked. What happened? Oh, right. Now I need to do it on every single one. That's what needs to happen. I'm falling to my death. Bring it. Okay, so I got him. That's 2. That's not 2? Oh, wait, that is 2. Okay, that's 2. Could you not? Okay. That's 3. Come on. Last one. Bring it. Bring it with your snapping. Not with your missile! Whew. Okay. What? Nope. Stop. Oh, no. I'm literally just gonna be flying. Okay. I ran out of boost. Understandable. Please. No. Listen, I have no power. I just have to solve puzzles while you try and murder me. Which you're doing very effectively, might I add. Come on. Do it. Oh no. You see how close I am? There we go. We got him. Okay. That's a checkpoint. And what are you gonna do now? That's what he's gonna do. No. Ooh. Okay, you got 2 of them. Stop. Got 3 of them. What? No. Ah! You suck.
Nope.
Psych!
Okay, that should be it. Could you not? Oh wait, I know what I'm doing. Come on, do it. I forgot what to do here. Wait, what? You can't fight me. I'm too smooth. Oh my god, you can fight me. No! I was trying to get away! Please! Stop with the snipes. You can't put me in a corner like that. I don't want to go into a corner like that. What? What am I supposed to do? Forgot what I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to do something with the X button.
Gotcha.
But I don't know what. Bring it on. Bring it on. No, no, don't bring it on that much. Just a little bit. 2 snaps is maybe a little too much. You're doing 3. Okay, okay. Now zoom over here. Woo! Oh, bring it! What am I supposed to do now? Oh, I know what I know what I gotta do. Not that. Wait, what? Evidently, I don't know what I'm doing, which is completely normal. Nope. Forgot what I need to do. One moment, please. Here we go. Could you stop? How many times did he snap? Nope. Ow! You know what? If you want to become a mariachi band and start snapping, I don't know, is that a thing mariachi bands do? Wow. What? Okay, okay, okay. I got this. I got you. I got you. I got you. I don't got you. I'm a little bit dead. Okay. Okay, there we go. I can do it once. I'll take that L. Come here. I got you. Come on. What did I do? Is he dying? He's dying! Ah! I did it. Now, achievement time. I have to do a thing with the left. Hold the button. Power! Did I do it? Yeah! Once I dreamt that I could fly.
But the further I flew, the more I learned. My people can't be left to tyrants nor to anarchy. It's time I come back to lead the hope.
What a lovely ending. I appreciate that. Hey look, I did it. And faster.